But you just take it out of the box, and then the sensor as is, incredibly easy to take apart. All you have to do first is remove this mounting bracket, which simply slides up and out of the way. And then the remaining backing of the sensor, there's a seam that runs along the entire outside. You'll simply press on that, turn it counterclockwise, and you'll hear it snap out of place. And then that too will just pop right off. And then inside you have a pair of CR123 batteries. They come by default, and they are inactive until this little plastic tab is removed. But also, the sensor can be powered by 5-volt USB via this port right here, in the event that you do have that sort of power source available and you don't want to use the batteries. It can be more reliable because you won't have to worry about batteries dying. But then reassembly is the opposite of disassembly. You just snap this back into place, turn it clockwise, and you'll hear it firmly clasp into place. And then you just reapply the mounting bracket and slide that straight down. And again, it snaps into place, and you're done. So once that is all said and done, the sensor does come with 2 options for mounting it to a wall. You can use the 3M adhesive backing, which will apply directly to the back and it will stick to just about anything, or you can screw it into a wall with the supplied mounting screws and drywall tabs.